the food like on board the Navigator of the Seas? Let's go check it out. And I deliver helpful cruise tips and inspiration for your future cruise travels. On the Navigator of the Seas, there are many complimentary options. One is Cafe Promenade on the Royal Promenade deck, and that's where you can have snacks, pastries, coffee, and sandwiches. I always buy a coffee card there. It's $31 for 15 drinks, a savings of 50%. Loco Fresh is a great place to grab a snack when you're here at the pool or you feel like you just want something different. This would be a great option if you don't want to deal with the buffet. You'll find burritos, tacos, and chips and salsa. It's one of my favorite spots, not on every ship, so I've been enjoying that. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
For attention and cooperation, and have a great day.
Next, we have the Windjammer Marketplace, a buffet type arrangement of global cuisine, and it is breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you can come in for a quick snack or a full meal. There's everything and anything you can think of here, from gluten-free to vegetarian to sugar-free to whatever you're looking for, it's here. And there's always a happy staff greeting you to help you to remember to wash your hands, and they play their guitars, and it's a lot of fun. So it's a great place. There is some crowd issues at times. It's hard to find places to sit if you come at the normal times of operation, like 9 or 12. Try to come either earlier or after that to get a good seat. I will be covering breakfast and lunch options. You will find many breakfast options at the Windjammer Cafe. There's fresh fruit, there's parfaits, your typical hot griddle with the bacon, eggs, biscuits, that type of thing. Depending on the time of day you enter into the buffet, the breakfast sometimes becomes a brunch, and there are different types of things served alongside typical breakfast options. Refill soda machine with your drink package. This is the lunch, tuna niçoise, Mexican rice, and some vegetarian options. Lots of vegetables and salad options. There was also a sandwich making station. We'll find an assortment of chicken, beef, and fish. There is a designated gluten-free section.
Buttered chicken.
For food allergies, you need to notify the restaurant manager. Here are more gluten-free options: coleslaw with vinaigrette and a cheese plate. Mixed vegetable salad. Dulce cream puff. Raspberry custard. A sugar-free option. Strawberry ice cream. Tropical pound cake. I hope this has helped you see what the type of food it is on board. It is hot and fresh, the staff is very friendly, and it was a great time. And last but not least, you have a room service option of $7.95 plus gratuity. Next week's video will be on the main dining room and what you can expect. Make sure that you check out my playlist on the Navigator of the Seas, and if you have found value in this video, if it has been informative or helpful in any way, please hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.